My name is Frixmon Michael. I'm the CEO of Avant Tax and Finance. We are a tax and accounting firm operating all over in Texas, Houston, Dallas, Austin, and McAllen. I've recently released a video on tax-free income planning. After releasing the video, I got a mixed response from my clients as well as my other friends. They are on Facebook and LinkedIn. Some of them were asking if this is genuine or is it possible? My answer to this queries is such that tax-free income planning is genuine. It is not tax evasion. This is make use of the available provisions which IRS is giving to the taxpayers in the United States, including corporations. Sometimes you might have heard that Google is paying 2.8% taxes, G is paying 1.6%, Caterpillar is saving billions of dollars in taxes. Did you ever ask yourself about how this had been happening? When you ask, you understand that the tax system in the United States is an voluntary obligation on the part of the people. It is the responsibility of the citizen to pay, sustain, and stay compliant to the IRS rules and taxes in the United States. I mean to say that it is an voluntary obligation, provided you have to have proper books of accounts, proper records of your expenses, and you take deductions. And many of us are not getting proper advice on how to take these deductions. When you approach a generic tax accountant, maybe they are CPAs, enroll agents, if they are not specialized in their respective area, like you are going to a healthcare CPA, he is preparing cost report and you are asking him on real estate investment in opportunity zone, he may not be able to give you a proper guidance. Let us go back to the tax-free income in the United States. How is it possible? The big corporations, they take leverage of the situations by diversifying money into different areas, especially research and development, social upliftment. Government is using this money into different pools. They wanted the privileged class as well as the underprivileged class to raise their standards. The government wanted everyone to grow. So while understanding the tax system, we have to say that we need to approach a tax accountant who has expertise in the areas of IRS codes, which gives a lot of leverages to each one of us in taking tax deductions. Just for example, you might have heard a lot of tax-free sources like disability income is tax-free, and municipal bonds, their interest is tax-free. And when you look at other possible opportunities, like from the credit card points, you make tax-free income. When you buy and sell a house within 2 years or for a period of 5 years, you might have lived there. Then in that situation, you can defer. Individual can defer up to $250,000 in capital gains. For married filing joint people, they can defer up to $500,000. So these are the common knowledge in the market. But today, I would like to bring some other points into your consideration. They are the special knowledge which is not being communicated to the people in the United States. Number one, tax advantages in investing in oil and gas investments. So when you invest in oil and gas investment, you will be able to take tax deduction. There's a tangible drilling cost of 100%. You can write off. The deduction of intangible drilling costs. Intangible drilling costs can help you out with 65 to 80% write-off. And then lease deductions. Then depletion allowance of 15%, and then passive activity income offsetting. When you have losses in the oil and gas investments, There, your capital gain, capital loss even can be offset against your net operating losses can be offset against your capital gains as well. Interest, dividends, these are the things not possible in other areas. Then the advantage of a marginal wells, because when you started drilling the natural oil and gas resources, it is going to get depleted. So there's going to be a marginal wells advantages. Then you can also give the rights to 1031 exchanges, and another one is enhanced recovery credits. So all these things are possible through your investment through oil and gas investments. Then let us go to research and development. Research and development gives a lot of leverage to the investors in the United States, provided they are engaging people here in the United States. They're creating employment. They are coming up with the new products that will help the manufacturers as well as other people to take advantage of the research and development. The research and development is a section under most of the corporations in the United States. What they'll do, if small scale business with less than $5 million in revenue, they can offset what you call 1.25 millions for another 5 years of time. But they can write off every year $250,000 in their payroll tax liabilities. So these are the things we need to understand, and we need to take advantage of it. Any business can definitely leverage on these things. Then there is another one, that is energy saving credit. When we have energy saving credits like electric and other wind energies. So once we use the solar system, okay, let's take the example solar system, there's 30% credit, and this is only available through 2021. You can take 30% credit while installing a solar equipment at your home. And what is the other advantage? Which does not include the cost. You can add the cost on top of that. So that is also another saving. You are getting dollar to dollar deduction from all these things. This is what I call tax-free income. You will earn money through this tax-free income. And the other privilege which we have been enjoying till 2017 was DPAT. That means domestic production activity deduction. So DPAT is just a little bit repealed now, but still agriculture and agro-based cooperative societies, and when you are part of those cooperative society, you can definitely take advantage of this DPAT to the tune of like 9%. So these are the areas we haven't penetrated yet. There's a major thrust that I'm going to bring in today is Opportunity Zone. Opportunity Zone is a government program after the new Trump's tax reform, which is enacted in the 2017. So this allows people to defer capital gain. So just for your understanding, let me give you an example. Suppose you have $100,000 real estate. When you sell it, you have $50,000 capital gain. So what you can do, you can defer that capital gain by investing into an opportunity fund. And if you keep that money for another 7 years, you'll be getting 85% tax rebate. So this is to help the impoverished community in the United States. Every state governors were given the authority to figure out the places. There are like 7,300 areas demarcated across the United States within 5 major territories. And these areas where you can invest money and defer your capital gain. It is totally different from what we call 1031 exchange. 1031 exchange has a lot of limitations, including equal or up amount should be invested into the project. But in this scenario, you can not only take the base money out, the actual cost out, and invest the capital gain. Within 7 years, you're going to be taxed for only 85%. And if you keep that money for 10 years, then you don't have to pay any tax on it. and you can take the rest of the money, the actual base or the cost, you can take it out. And we help the clients to invest through an LLC, and that LLC will make use of the trust fund and invest it. So you can have further write-off within an LLC while investing this. And on average, there is a rate of return predicted that it's going to be like 14 to 15% all the time. So opportunities on investment is the best cake, and which is going to grow your tax money free. Anybody with a real estate, commercial, or anybody has other assets like stock, bonds, bitcoins, they can also take advantage of this opportunities on cost investment. But it is totally different from 1031. 1031, where we were only able to, move some of these real estate assets, and we had to, put the entire money there. And the most important thing of this program is that this is going to help boost the economy. This is going to be a kind of a tax sale for the real estate people. They have already depreciated the property. They have lots of capital gains since they bought the property over 10 years of time or down the road. They need to pay, or they need to capture all the depreciations they have taken. So here, the capital gain, through the capital gain difference, they move the money into a trust fund, and the money grows there, and they can sell it after 10 years time. And if they wanted to take advantage of this, of course we are there helping our attorneys, and our CPAs are helping our clients move their money into different streams, helping them to invest in oil and natural resources, helping them invest in research and development. We are helping our clients to get tax break and generate tax-free income through what we call opportunity zones. And the last one, that is syndicated easements. I don't know how many of you have heard about syndicated easements. Syndicated easement gives 60% tax break to people who are interested to forfeit their rights for conservation and other activities. And of course, some people say that there are some red areas there, but if you properly take care of that and comply to IRS guidelines, so if that is also feasible. So there are unlimited opportunities where we can help guide you to invest your money and grow tax-free. Even while you are operating a business, or you are going to reach at the stage of retirement, there are multiple options where we can help you grow your money tax-free. So this is what we tell our people, that through our tax-free income planning with our tax attorneys and estate planning attorneys, we help with the clients. If you have found this video informative and educative, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.